Guys, so welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kashish Navsariwala. Hope you all are doing well. As you all must have already read by the title, today we are going to be reacting to not so smart tweets. Yes, without further ado, let's get into the video. So I have picked up a few tweets and I have my laptop in front of me, so I'm going to take you all through each one of them. So yes, let's get started. So the first one is, if you had to name your child a month, what month would it be? And somebody has replied to the tweet saying summer. Yeah, exactly. I took a while to get the joke, but now that I did understand the summer thing, and yeah, I know guys, I feel you all. Moving on to the next one. Okay, so somebody tweeted saying that if anyone browsing Facebook sees this post, I'ma tell them to get a Twitter account. And this is the reason, guys, that we are growing. The youth needs to take over the world. The next one is this is so funny that I don't even okay, so somebody has asked, why do the women never have to take a DNA test to see if it's their child? I certainly pray that this kid's parents had decided not to have the kid. I have no hopes for humans anymore. The next one is okay, it was posted on 1st January 2014. Okay, and this person says, this beautiful earth is now officially 14 years old. Amazing. I just have one thing to say. I certainly hope that the people around you think that you are amazing too. Moving on to the next one. So this person tweets saying that, gonna stop smoking for a week. I feel bad for my liver. I only have one thing to say to you. I certainly feel bad for your brain, because we can say that you're not using it entirely. Moving on to the next one. So somebody asks this, that what is Obama's surname? This is literally how, if he was looking him, this is, I literally have nothing to say rather than just shaking my head in disappointment. Moving on to the next one. I think the scariest part of having triplets is being pregnant for 27 months. How I wished your mother wasn't pregnant for 9 months and had you. The next is, I swear someone needs to invent socks for our hands. My hands are always cold. And then somebody replies to the tweet saying it's called gloves. And that person again replies by saying, no, stupid, like socks for our hands. Exactly, that is what we are looking for, right? That's the new innovation that we need. Good going. Okay, now this other tweet, it reads, I hate grapes, they disgust me. And then somebody replied at the bottom saying, what are they saying? It's literally like this person had one job to just like type down one single tweet, and this is what the person chooses to speak or type about. Next, I can't even anymore. Okay, so this tweet reads, how did Beyonce's album go #1 in 100 countries when there are only 7? and the person has also named them. So yeah, that's Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, North and South America, and Europe. If I knew this person, I would have certainly asked him or her which school are they going to, and I would have also patted on their back. Moving on to the next one. I'm so glad I live in the USA and not America, because America is stupid and annoying. I just want to say, anybody who read your tweet, they feel the same about you, that you are also stupid and annoying. Oh, and yes, this is me being silent for a few seconds for your smartness. Moving on. Yeah, so this tweet says, somebody born in 2020 will see the year 3000 when they are 80. That's wild. What is wild is that you think that somebody who will be born after, I think what is wild is that you think that somebody who is going to be born after 980 years is just going to be 80. Bravo. Bravo. So yes, that was the last tweet, and I hope it gave you all some kind of even like a smirk on your face while you all read the tweets. So this was something new that I tried. I hope that you all liked it, and your mood became probably better, and you could also relate to other people sometimes also saying something dumb, because let's be real, we also do say something stupid or something dumb all the time and every time, and even me, I that's just normal. And honestly, I think if people would not say anything dumb, we would have lesser things to laugh on. So yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I'm gonna be back soon with a new video. Stay tuned, like the video, comment below, do subscribe to the channel. Take care. Thank you for watching.